All right, getting you some big updates coming in. Officials are actively investigating the Bhatapara shootout where tensions remain high after the incident impacted the TMC's booth president. Authorities are focusing on uncovering the motives and individuals involved as concerns grow over rising violence in the area. This comes as by-polls are currently underway in West Bengal. A TMC booth officer, Ashok Shah, was shot and has passed away. Bengal by-polls once again seeing a lot of violence, and this is something we have seen in the past where there's violence during polls, pre-polls and post-poll. And remember, this is coming in as polling for by-polls is underway in 6 assembly seats in West Bengal. Started at 7 a.m. today. And we have Ridhita joining us from Republic Bangla newsroom. Violence during by-polls in West Bengal. And Ridhita, if you could take our viewers through what has happened and also remind our viewers that in the past, every time there's an election in West Bengal, every election is marred by violence, and it looks like this by-poll is no different.
Exactly, Shivangi. Has not left to prove themselves again of by-polls and elections being a very high-tension area. So since today morning, Noihati has witnessed a very tensed area or a tensed polling situations. Now Bhatapara is very close to this Noihati Constituent Assembly poll where the election has been happening since the morning. So at Bhatapara today morning at around 9:30, this tea stall was attacked by some unknown people. Now both TMC and BJP are claiming that their men were not involved. So this person sitting, Ashok Shah, who was sitting inside, who was the ex-ward commissioner or the president of that area, was attacked. He was shot at. It was not only that fire guns which was rolled, but it was also socket bombs which was landed in that shop. And after much attack, he was taken to the nearest the medical college, where he has come a result that has come around 11:30 that he has passed away. So that is the as of now information that we are getting from Noihati Assembly poll. With much update, we'll update you. Back to the studio.
Right, and Ridhita, before we move out of West Bengal and what is happening there, we have to talk a little bit about what the allegations are already, because the BJP has alleged Suvendu Adhikari a short while back from the West Bengal BJP had alleged that once again there's high-handedness coming in from the TMC. Also, we're seeing that both the TMC and the BJP are contesting in these 6 assembly seats. If you could take our viewers through those details coming in.
Rightly said, today West Bengal is witnessing 6 assembly polls, so there is a high tension area. But from the morning, there are reports coming in about the attacks. There are 144 reports that has been submitted as of now to EC with different areas. There's different 6 polls which have been attacked variously. We have seen house arrests that you were correctly mentioning about Suvendu Adhikari's tweet, where we have seen this person from Mednipur, a BJP Karyakarta, was house arrested. Then at Chittai, we had also seen the bike gangers who have been trying to influence the voters, TMC bike gangers who have been trying to influence the voters. Then at another assembly called Tal Dangra, we have seen that people are being treated food. It's a bribe. It's kind of a bribe from the TMC to influence the voters to come and vote for TMC. And also various areas that we are seeing. We have also seen Ashok Shah. So currently the situation at West Bengal and the 6 polls which are going on, the elections, are quite tensed. So with the day passing on, we are hoping that the tensions level down. But again, TMC is leaving no stone to prove themselves again and again about how they are influencing their voters to come and vote for them. Back to the studio.
All right, Ridhita, thank you for joining us there with all those details. I'll be coming back to you as we track the by-polls in West Bengal.